What makes a city? Is it the buildings, the coffee shops, the stadiums? Is it the sports teams, the philanthropies, or the industries? Maybe it's the people, the landmarks, the rivers and bridges, the commutes and the city lights. Maybe. Or perhaps it's all of these things. But if they make a city, what makes a city run? Maybe it's the unseen that makes a city run. The unseen that binds us together, that keeps our institutions and our philanthropies and our stadiums running. Acumen IT, providing technologies that run our city.